Yes, children, now let's start the chapter number 3 of unit 3. So, chapter number 3 is renowned international organizations. As you know, children, here we will study about the international organizations, means those organizations which are not on any country level, they are at the world level. Okay, so international organizations, many international organizations are set up to for the betterment of different countries, or for the protection also, and sometimes to provide that funding to those countries which are still in a developing stage, or sometime if any natural disaster comes to that countries, then also they help to one another in this way through these kind of organizations. So for different work, different kind of organizations are there. So let's read one by one. First one, name the organizations. So here you have to write name in the blanks. So I have filled, you just see. First one is an international organization whose stated aims are facilitating cooperation in international laws, international security, economic development, social progress, human rights, and achievement of world peace. So children, see, this organization is one of the famous organization, and you all should know about it. This organization is called United Nations Organization, which is called UNO, and it is very, very famous. United Nations Organization is commonly known by the name of UNO. Okay, and UNO has some aim, it was built with some aim, and it is the international organization which is built for these purposes. Here they have mentioned, means to cooperate, means facilitate and give cooperation in the international laws, and international security, means to maintain security international at the international level, and economic development, means every country should develop economically. Social progress, means socially also every country should progress. And human rights, every human has that many rights, just like right to freedom, right to education, right to, you have studied in social also, I think. And in that, in the same way, we have many kind of rights, and if anybody try to exploit those human rights, these kind of organizations can work against that kind of exploitations. So, and achievement of world peace, means ultimately this organization will see that world peace should be maintained in all the countries, means all over the world peace should be maintained. Okay, so no country will fight with each other, and everywhere they will see that if any problem is there in any of the country, they will help. Okay, so second one is an economic and political union of 27 member states which are located primarily in Europe. Children, this organization name is European Union, means EU, and this European Union contains it consists of 27 member states, means these 27 member of different states of Europe, they comprises to form this kind of international organization. Means it is the organization European Union, which is only consists of European states, okay, and it is built in the Europe. And third is an organization that intends to supervise and liberalize international trade. Trade, you know that, Vyapar. So on the international level, this organization keep an eye on world trade, okay. So World Trade Organization, WTO, what kind of laws has to be maintained between the countries when they export or import the goods, so that all the things are decided by this kind of organization. And fourth one is a specialized agency of the United Nations that deals with labor issues. Here this organization is meant for labor work, or we can say for laborers. International Labour Organization, its short name is ILO, okay. So International Labour Organization is always deal at the international level about the labor issues, okay. Fifth is a non-governmental international organization with a mission to contribute to the education of young people to help build a better world where people are self-fulfilled as individuals and play a constructive role in the society. So children, this organization is a non-governmental international organization. Means it is not governmental organization, it is non-governmental. And this organization has main aim to provide education to the young people. Okay? Not only the children, they provide different kind of education, old age education also, and they provide education to the adults also. Okay, and also provide education to the children, school going children also. So this organization has a name, it is World Organization of the Scout Movement. So its short name is WOSM. Next is an organization facilitating international police cooperation. Children, that you should know that when any criminal case is there or any type of case is there which is related coming under the police department, when one country police will find any of the culprit in the other country, then at the international level also some organizations are there which help to find those criminals. Okay, and this is one of the international that organization which is facilitating the international police cooperation. Means they cooperate, police cooperate with the one country, police cooperate with the other country. So its organization name is Interpol. In short we can say Interpol, but its full name is International Criminal Police Organization. Okay. Seventh one is a geopolitical and economic organization of 10 countries located in Southeast Asia. So its name is Association of Southeast Asian Nations. and its small name is, in short we can say, ASEAN, means ASEAN. And this organization is a geopolitical and economic organization which involve 10 countries, and it is located in the Southeast Asia. Okay children, so eighth one is an intergovernmental military alliance constitutes a system of collective defense whereby its member states agree to mutual defense in response to attack by any external party. Children, this organization is called North Atlantic Treaty Organization, means its short name is NATO, and NATO has some members in it, and this is actually, it is a military alliance, international or intergovernmental organization, and whatever states are or countries are involved in this, coming under this, those member countries, they have mutual agreement, means they are mutually defense to each other, means if any other country will attack on their one of the country, then all the countries which are coming under this NATO, they all support to each other. Okay, so many famous countries are coming under this organization. So this is called NATO, and it is also one of the famous organization. After this, ninth one is a specialized agency of the United Nations, UN, that acts as a coordinating authority on international public health. This, you know, that nowadays we are so much, we can see on TV or everywhere in news about the WHO. You know, this is a World Health Organization, and this organization is related to the health of the world, we can say people of the world. It always monitor the health of people at the world level. Okay, so if any problem comes at the world level, like just now, you know that COVID-19 pandemic is now spread all over the world. So this organization always gives us some instructions, and not only instructions, that guidelines time to time, what to do and how to control that kind of diseases. So children, 10th one is a specialized agency of the United Nations with the purpose to contribute to peace and security by promoting international collaboration through education, science and culture. So children, this international organization, its main purpose is to contribute peace. But how to contribute to maintain the peace in the world? By providing security to the different countries and to promoting international collaboration through education, means to promote education through science, development in science and culture of every country. So this organization name is UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, means its full name is this one, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, and its small or short name, in short we can say UNESCO. So this is also one of the famous organization of the world. 11th is an intergovernmental organization of 12 developing countries with an objective to pursue ways and means of ensuring the stabilization of prices in international oil markets. Children, this organization always maintain the stabilization in prices at the international level in oil markets. You know that oil market is also one of the big market in of the world. So this organization, which is called OPEC, in short we can say OPEC, and its full name is Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries. You know that oil is present in some of the countries, or we can say few countries have oil resources in them. So those countries export their oil to the other countries, and during the export and import of this oil, they decide, this organization decide or maintain the stability of the prices in the international level in oil market. Okay, and 12th is a specialized agency of the United Nations that leads international efforts to defeat hunger by serving both developed and developing countries. And children, this specialized agency means this is also organization, but here they have given the name of agency. It is a specialized agency of the United Nations, means it is of this organization is of United Nations, and it has efforts to defeat hunger, means it can provide food to those people who are suffering from that hunger, or we can say if any country has famine or some kind of that natural disaster happen and there is a scarcity of food, that time this organization can help and it provide food and help the people to defeat hunger. Okay, so it is serving food for both to the developed and developing countries, because natural disaster can happen in any of the country whether it is developing or developed. So this organization name is Food and Agriculture Organization. Okay, and children, 13th is a specialized agency of the United Nations that deals with labor issues pertaining to international labor standards. So this organization is also working for laborers, means previously also one organization we have studied which work for the laborers, and this organization is also work for labor at the international levels. Okay, they that listen all the problems comes to laborers, and they also maintain the labor standard. Okay, so this organization name is International Labour Organization. 14th is an intergovernmental organization that promotes international economic cooperation, focusing on particular policies that have an impact on the exchange rate and the balance of payments. Means this organization is also international organization and they work for the economic cooperation. Means they maintain the balance between the different countries, that what particular that payments or money, how much money has to pay to the different criteria of workers. Okay, so they maintain through the policies, and they have planned through some policies that how to maintain balance of payments. Okay, and this organization is International Monetary Fund. Okay, monastery not, it is International Monetary Fund. Understand? So children, this is the last organization, international organization, which we have just now studied. And here they have given pictures also. Along with these organizations, you can see the pictures which are given at the side for each organization, and some organization has some symbols. So they have given these kind of symbols of different organization also, like this is the symbol of UNO. So in the same way, this is of EU, this is for WTO. In this way, that different countries have different means different organization have different kind of symbols. So you can see these symbols also and pictures also. So children, with this our chapter number 3 also completed. So up to this much we will study today, and next time we will start our chapter number 4. So I'll send you pics of these pages also, so that you can fill your book. And students, maintain your book and make your book filled properly, so that next time when we want for copy correction, I want everybody GK book for correction. Okay, so Jai Gurudev.